everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I finally get to unbox my my MAC order. I'm super excited for this order because it's a limited series Stranger Things eyeshadow palette, and I got the email in my inbox that said limited time Stranger Things MAC Cosmetics. So I'm like, okay, cool, let's take a look. I originally just wanted to buy a lipstick, but of course they were sold out of all the colors that I wanted. So because it was 30% off, I decided I'll get one of the palettes. So let's open the box and see what it looks like. Super excited. Oh my goodness. Eee, so pretty. I like it when they wrap it up all pretty and stuff. Now, I don't know if you can get this in store. I was at the mall yesterday. I should have checked to see if you can get this in store. But my receipts, probably won't need that. The paper, I actually have super pretty paper. So this is what the box looks like. Actually really pretty. I like the box. Ah! Okay, let's open it up first. Oh, this is so cool. It's so cute. Look at this. So adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this one. These colors are so nice. Look at this. So we got like a blue and some browns and some light browns and some pink. And a few darker colors I probably won't use unless I want to really, or unless I want to be super bold. But some of these colors I don't think I will use much. Probably not the green and the blue, but I could see I could use the other ones for sure. Purple, maybe, maybe not. It kind of depends on what my outfit looks like. And this is kind of cool. This like goes on the colors. So what I will do is I will pick the colors that I want to try and I'll put them on my eyes, and then the other colors I'll just kind of swap with my wrist so you can see them. Okay, so I'm trying this new thing where I try to make my YouTube videos and my Instagram page reels the same. So yeah, I kind of hopped on my reels, filmed part of this reel, and now I will try these colors. So let me just so Surfer Boy Pizza is a color at the bottom right there. You can see that. So hopefully you can see this pretty good, but I I already put my primer on, my eyeshadow primer. I wanted to skip that step so I could just jump right into this video because I'm super excited for this video. So already I love this color. This is a base color that I would definitely use for my eyeshadow. I think what I might do is use some of the sparkly yellow in the corner and put it kind of in the corner of my eyes a little bit, so you can't really see it, which I like. It's like a kind of yellowy gold color. I'd probably have to do a few, yeah, now you can kind of see it a little bit. Now I will use the Butterscotch, USS Butterscotch is what it's called. These are colors that I would use on a regular basis, which is why I really like them. So that's what that color looks like right here. When it comes to eyeshadows, I'm very picky. I like neutral colors. I don't like bright colors unless it is either Halloween or I want really to have my makeup stand out for some reason. But you can see I kept it very simple. So if I do about 4 coats on here at least, you can kind of see the, okay, so I added, as you can see, the colors that I would use. I use a Butterscotch, Surfer Boy Pizza, Benny's Burgers, and the Gold Dingus color is called. Interesting name. But those are the ones that I used. So I put the gold kind of in here, kind of in by my nose. After I did Butterscotch on top, I also did Benny's Burgers kind of like right on the corner, as you can see. So this one is Palace Arcade, which is the purple one, and I will swab that on my wrist so I can show you what it looks like. It's very, very light. There we go. So you know what? I probably could use this color. So it's like a metallic purple. And I've already swabbed it like 3 times on my wrist. Now just comment below if you want me to do a makeup look with the other colors. I could do that also. Now I will try the general store, which is a blue color, like a very light blue. I actually really like this blue. So the purple and the blue I would wear and just not. So look at that. It's really, doesn't really look that blue actually. Both the purple and the blue have like a metallic color on them, which I really like. So the other one I would wear as well. I would wear the pink, but I want to do the Hawkins High, that very, very prominent green. Yeah. Look at that. One swipe and it's super green. That was just from one swipe of my palette. Most of the colors on this palette need a good 4 layers before they start to show up. So some of these I probably would use as an underlayer for my makeup. I mean, like I said, the purple and the blue were about like 4 swipes before I actually got the purple and the blue. So with that said, let me try the purple, the pink. Okay, pink is the same thing. One swipe and I got the pink. So that's what they look like. They're gonna get mixed up with. My hair is like a disaster right now. But there's what those look like. The mirror gets pretty messy pretty fast. Now I'm curious, actually. I want to try the pink. This is not how much makeup I would usually wear, but I really wanted to try pink and see how it looks. The pink I would probably wear as an everyday look also. Not like this, but I would probably be more subtle and just wear it on my eyelids. So I've used four colors? I've used 4 colors for my eyeshadow. As you can see, this already annoys me. So there you go. That is the MAC Stranger Things. What the colors look like. Super pretty. I would probably wear the metallic colors if I went out and I wanted them to, wanted my eyes to pop out a little bit more. But I like about that palette that it not only has neutral colors, but it also has more colors that wouldn't be every day. So yeah, I think I would use my other palette more that I have, which is all neutral colors, before I probably dive into this, just because I would use this more for like not everyday colors. That makes sense. I don't know, but there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to see a video where I use these other colors, comment below and then I can play around with these other colors and my makeup. I can make it look more out there, or I can try and make it look maybe more natural with these colors. I don't really know if I'd be able to do that, but I can try. So let me know if you'd like to see another video with the other colors. Also, If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. You'll get lifestyle videos such as this, as well as book videos, so book reviews, book vlogs, all that fun stuff, as well as many unboxing videos, as you can see. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video.